guys, check it out. We're at the Kernersville Reptile Zoo today. We're in the new addition that we've added here at the zoo. It's called the Indoor Tropical Rainforest. Okay, so you hear the sights, you hear the sounds. This, to my knowledge, is the only one of its kind in North Carolina. We have one of only 2 exhibited king cobras in the state of North Carolina. But this right here is the only, as far as I'm aware of, fully interactive indoor tropical rainforest. We have chameleons running free, we have tree frogs running free. This place is amazing. Check this out. We're going to give you a little preview of this indoor tropical rainforest. Now here's one of our beautiful Australian white tree frogs. Oh, and we're going to go through a little bit of the jungle canopy, and we see, oh, there's one of the chameleons. There she is. Check her out. Ah, look what we found there. Right down at the bottom of the fountain. There's another tree frog. There is another chameleon right there. Isn't she beautiful? Check it out. This place is absolutely amazing. A lot of time and love and care. Oh, see another chameleon over there in the corner. He is hanging out on the end of a limb. Oh, right there. See that? Right there's a tree frog. Right up there. This place is awesome. Now this is just a little taste of this indoor tropical rainforest here at the Kernersville Reptile Zoo. This is Chad of the Reptile Rangers and the Kernersville Reptile Zoo. We hope to see you soon. We'll see you on the next episode, or we'll see you at the zoo. Later.